How to install Threads app. So if you want to install Threads app, then first you need to open up your Play Store. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Go for the search and search for Threads. Once you search here, you will have the application. So if you want to download and install the application, simply tap on install, and it might take some time to download according to your Wi-Fi or your data quality. So here on the bottom, you can view something about the threads. You can find your followers, you can connect over a conversation, you can share your point of view, and you can open social network, and you can set the tone and everything. So this is about the application. So if you want to install it, simply tap on install and it will start install. So once it's installed, you can tap on open, which is on the right side, and after opening you can log into your account or sign into your account and use your threads. So that's it, that's how you can install. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.